A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. A&A gets a lot of calls where brickwork is failing. Many things contribute to spalling bricks, but the most common source of the damage is water. When water becomes trapped inside of masonry structures, it causes problems as the freeze-thaw cycle starts to occur and erode the masonry. When temperatures cool down, moisture expands and freezes, and when the temperatures heat up, water thaws and decreases in volume. When this process occurs over and over again, it puts excessive pressure on masonry, causing it to crack and eventually spall. When bricks or stone masonry jobs are erected, excellent water management engineering is a necessary endeavor to ensure the work lasts a long time. Unfortunately, in the Greater Toronto Area and throughout southern Ontario, in excess of 70% of brick and stone masonry jobs are done incorrectly. This meaning water management was not taken into account properly, and the structures end up failing within years instead of lasting decades, which they should. In this case, the customer called due to failing brickwork on the side of the house. Restoring these bricks on this wall is a specialty of A&A. The A&A crews are specialists in water management and in putting up jobs that will last. However, when the logistics specialist came to inspect the home, a lot of other needed work to upgrade the appearance and function of the exterior of the house came to light. The benefit of having A&A do these jobs is that they have a lot of crews with specialties in many areas of restoration and construction and can take care of all the homeowner's needs. This home had an interlocking patio and walkway and front steps that had also been failing. It is very common to see these types of interlocking jobs done in the past few decades when it no longer stays level and it shifts and falls apart. A&A has found that these type of interlocking jobs originally were not built with a proper base to provide proper support and water drainage. Grading the base correctly to manage the water is extremely important. But also the materials used in the original base were not as well conducive to proper water drainage. In fact, the materials used in a lot of these interlocking jobs actually absorbed, trapped, and held onto the water that resulted in water damage and shifting of the interlocking materials and making it fail. After a correct base is put in, taking all water management concerns in hand, the crew is ready to lay down beautiful interlocking stone. The stone is carefully put in by the crew to make an appealing design that is going to look great and last. This is artisan work in the extreme, to lay the stone in a design that is going to match the exterior of the home and the surroundings, as well as being very stable and not shift in the coming decades. Each stone is exactly laid to create a custom design specifically for the home that will fit the exact measurements of the patio. The stone is put down and leveled so that it is put in the correct place for when the bonding agent is applied. This way, it perfectly manages surface water away from the home and won't move and looks great for many years to come. A&A also laid down stone on the walkway going from the patio to the front of the house along the wall where the brickwork was replaced. This created a complete facelift for the exterior of the home and looked great. The old interlocking front steps had shifted and become dilapidated and also needed to be replaced. Again, these were replaced with gorgeous stone steps that are installed with the same care as the rest of the job, understanding the water management. Again, the steps looked great on completion, and with the bonding agent applied, they will stay there stably and will not shift or move for many years in the future. So if you care for your home and you have an important next project that you're looking at, if you want a top-notch job performed by the best in the business, if you want a job that's going to look gorgeous and last for years and years, Call the professionals at A&A and let them get to work for you to make your dream a reality. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.